Welcome to my channel. My name is Norma with momisdesigns. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to make different DIYs that you can not only use them for your family and your friends, but you can also sell them. Let's not wait any longer and let's get to work. In this video, we're going to be talking about these tumblers. We're going to do a review and a test as usual. These tumblers come from ISTOYO, ISTOYO, and I'm just going to do an overall review of them, and we're going to be testing them. The first thing that I see with these tumblers is that the quality of the material is really good. In the order on Amazon, and I'm going to put description in the box below, you get 4 for $24.99. Okay. The first thing they said about these tumblers is that they can resist up to 24 hours cold and resist up to 6 hours hot. But the first thing that we're going to be testing is that it says that this seals so that you don't get spillage. So the first thing that if you just go this way, like I didn't get no water at all. So it's, I mean, that for me is a plus because I'm always drinking in the car. We're going to go ahead and move to test the hot and the cold. So follow me. We actually going to be testing both of them. So I have this one here. And I already have some boiled water, and I have this one with ice. Like I said, it says that it can keep it cold up to 20 hours and hot up to 6 hours. So we're gonna be testing that. So here's my hot water. And what I'm gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and insert this stick that measures the cold and the hot. So right now it was at 0, but as soon as it felt the heat, it went up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in there for a little bit until it stops. And then here's the one with the cold. So here it is. This one, it's at 190. So let me just bring it up to you so you can see it. There you go, 185 now. There it is. So now we're gonna wait just a minute and we're gonna go into the cold. So on the red, if you look at the red, it is almost 0 degrees, let me see. Yeah, it's getting to the 0. It's not on the minus, it's right on the 0. Here we go. So I'm going to come back with this one at 6 o'clock and see how it looks. I am going to cover both of them. I'm going to cover both of them. And so I'll see you back. It has been 6.5 hours. This is the water. This is supposed to be the hot water. It went down to 90 degrees. The water feels lukewarm. I think that if you leave some coffee, you can still probably drink it. And then let's go ahead and move it over to the next one. This one was at 0 degrees. And as you can see, there's still some ice. And then it went from 0 degrees to still at 0 degrees. It's still at the same temperature. So this one is from 0 degrees and it's still at 0 degrees. And it's been 6.5 hours. So we're already done with the hot. Okay, and we're going to continue with this up to 24 hours. See you soon. It has been 24 hours. The ice is completely gone. And now I'm gonna put this inside so we can see what the temperature is. So it went from 0 to 10. So the water is still pretty cold. Even though the ice is gone, the water is still pretty cold. You can see right there. It went from 0 to 10. So there it is, you guys. Tested, done. I feel like the results are really good. I will give it probably an A+. And there you go. You can buy them. They come in a set of 4. And really good to give them as gifts, or just to have one so that when you travel, you can either handle cold or hot. So thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.